So you've decided to take the plunge. And by taking the plunge, I mean buying a Young Living Premium Starter Kit, of course. I'm so excited for you. Let's go. Step 1. Type in www.youngliving.com/en_US. Step 2. See where it says Become a Member in the upper right-hand corner? Yeah, click on that. Step 3. Click Become a Member. It is recommended that you become a member, mainly because that's how you get the starter kit, but also because you only have to spend $50 in products per year to stay a member. And there's no fee to become active again. And my favorite reason, you get 24% off everything. Step 4. Did someone refer you to Young Living? If not, please, please, please do not click the No One Referred Me circle. If you click that, you get put into a sort of orphan program, and you just get stuck under a random member. Plus, if your friend referred you, typing in their member number will really bless them. If you don't have a friend referring you to this video, feel free to put in my member number, 3751100. You can put the same number in both boxes. Hit continue. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Time to pick your kit. You can choose a regular premium starter kit with a dewdrop diffuser, or you could choose an Aria diffuser. You can also choose different types of starter kits. You can choose Savvy Minerals makeup kits, a Thieves kit, or a Nisha Red supplement kit. Step 6. Set up your monthly order? What monthly order? No one told me there would be a monthly order.
You don't really have to do that.
What?
You really don't have to do that.
Oh. Guys, you don't have to sign up for essential rewards or monthly orders. I know you feel like your money is kind of going like this right now. Essential Rewards is a great program though. Like, does your grocery store pay you back to buy things like detergent, all-purpose cleaner, toothpaste, shampoo? How about sunscreen? I don't think so. Where is that stuff coming from? More info about Essential Rewards to come in a later video. Step 7. Now that you've picked out which kit you want, go ahead and click Next. It's going to ask you if you want to sign up for Essential Rewards again, but if you're not about that life, just click Continue Enrollment. Now enter your information. This is pretty much like anything online that you become a member of, like Amazon, thrift books, etc. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just remember to enter the info in all of the boxes with an asterisk, which means it's important information. Here you just create a password and 4-digit PIN. The 4-digit PIN is really important if you forget your password and need to reset it. If you never plan on making money or over $600 with Young Living, just choose the first option. If you plan on making over $600, they need your social security number for tax purposes. And if you have a DBA or an LLC, you can choose the business option. Step 8, enter your shipping information and your payment information, and then go ahead and check out. Step 9, wait for your beautiful kit to arrive. What do we have here? For watching this video. If you liked it, go ahead and like it and share it, and also if you have any questions, please comment those below. And again, that website where you can get your own premium starter kit is www.youngliving.com. Thank you.